Hi guys, I'm Justin Spear, and today I received a package with two new Chic Sparrow notebooks, and this is the unboxing video. These two notebooks are both from the Tea House collection in the chai tea color and the Cascade style. One is an A5, this is for me, and then my wife chose the size B6. I love how they come in their own little cotton bags. So this is the B6 size for my wife, and both of them are the deluxe version, so they have the pen holder. And here's the A5. Oh, those are beautiful. I love them. Once again, I'm really impressed with the service from Chic Sparrow. The shipping was really fast, and I love how these notebooks come wrapped. They really do a nice job. So this is the B6, and I just love it. It's a beautiful color, really nice texture. It just feels great in the hand. You want to keep picking it up over and over again. And this is the A5 size. This one's for me. It's just beautiful. This particular color, the chai tea, reminds me of my old Rawlings baseball mitt that I've had for 17 plus years, where it just keeps getting better and better with age. And that's what I'm looking forward to have happening with this particular notebook, having the patina develop over time. And I like the chai tea name for this one. I think it really fits the color. It was only a little over a week ago that I received my first Chic Sparrow Traveler's Notebook. This guy right here. This is from the Austin collection. It's a B6 size, and it's in the Mr. Darcy color. But with the whole line of Chic Sparrows, I love how each of the leathers are unique and enticing in their own way and have a different feel. Just makes me want to buy several of them and start a collection. The leather for the Tea House collection isn't quite as shiny as the Austin. You can kind of tell here. It's more of a matte finish, but my understanding is over time, with a little wear and tear, this will get shiny just like the Austin. Also, the Tea House leather is thinner. It's a lot thinner. It's about half of the width of the Austin Mr. Darcy. And the Tea House leather isn't supposed to scratch quite as easily as the Austin, but this finish is supposed to get a little shinier over time, and I'm curious to see how quickly that'll happen. So it's kind of interesting to compare the two different styles as they develop their own unique character. Regarding the sizes, I got the A5 to have the bigger writing area, and also because there are so many notebooks and inserts that'll fit this size. The B6 size is great too. It's just a little more limited with the amount of inserts. There's plenty of them on Etsy, but on Amazon, the A5 is a much more popular size. I'd love to hear from you in the comments section below. What's your favorite size Traveler's Notebook? I'm kind of interested in trying out the nano size notebooks. I've never had one of those, but let me know what your favorites are. Here's the card from Chic Sparrow. I love how they give you a sticker with each order. That's great. Well, I really think my wife is going to love this B6 size Traveler's Notebook from Chic Sparrow. It's her very first Traveler's Notebook at all, and she's looking forward to getting into some journaling and planning. And I really think I'm going to enjoy this A5 size notebook. It'll be a nice complement to the B6 size that I got a week ago. Well, thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.